guys, Matt Olson here from MIP. What you can see here is the all-new B6.1 in the background, and of course MIP's all-new part number 18200 MIP puck system for the B6.1, and to the right of it you can see the 17130 kit, the B6 puck system. So a lot of guys have had the question, and they've been inquiring, does the B6 system work with the B6.1? Unfortunately, the entire system does not work with the new B6.1, and the only difference is actually the bone. We do know that the B6 came with, of course, the old 67 millimeter bone when you'd end up transferring over to the V2 hub, of course. And the new one, of course, has the new 67 millimeter bone as well. But with the new arms and the new configuration with the differential, with being able to shift it up and down, of course, the old 17130 kit will not work. The bone is just simply too long. But you can get an upgraded bone. It's going to be part number 18201, and you can use your old puck system because the differential is, of course, the same. So your old 67 millimeter puck kit, part number 17130, will not work. You do have to get either the 18200 or the upgraded bones, which are a tad bit shorter, and that's part number 18201. So we have the all new puck system installed on our B6.1 here, and we kind of wanted to let you guys know the parameters that it is able to work with. The old B6 kit that we had worked with every position possible on the car, but being that you're able to now shift the differential from anywhere from 0 to 3 mil. That does change your plunge characteristics quite a bit, and then changing, of course, your camber and your pivot points. That also will change your plunge characteristics. So we had to go with what was basically a standard setup, or within a millimeter variation when you are changing your pills here, and also when changing the hub from the 0 to the 1 position and changing your differential from the 0 to the 1 position. We did some research with all of the team guys, the team associated factory guys, on what they were doing for setup, and kind of dubbed it over for this to have basically where you guys are going to be, as well as some adjustment that you're going to have. But you will not be able to have, for instance, the differential in the 3 position all the way at the top, and then your hub at the 0 position. We don't see you guys doing this because even if you're on carpet, you're going to be at the 3 position and the 2 or 3 position here, or the 2 and 3 up here, and vice versa. So we don't see that large of a variation that you guys are going to do, and unfortunately we're not really sure if any bone would work out for that, because the plunge that you're going to get versus the full droop that you're going to get is going to be completely whacked out in our opinion. So you realistically, you're going to be staying within these parameters, shifting not much here. You're going to be either 0 or 1 on your main diff height there, and you're going to be 0 to 1 here. So we kind of wanted to, if you guys can see here, we always measure our bones so it has the correct amount of engagement at full droop. As you can see, the puck is engaged there with almost 100% contact patch, and then as well as when you compress this all the way, that it spins free. That's one of our main goals, and that it also doesn't come in contact with the outdrive itself. So you can see it comes close, but it's right within that arc where you're not going to have a problem with scoring bones and where it can create failure. So a lot of guys have been asking, well, the 67 mil bone comes with it, it should be the same. Unfortunately not. With the With the current bone, you can see, or with this style, with a pin style, you're going to see that it has, of course, a lot less width than what a puck is. So we have to fit within a certain envelope with how wide the puck is versus its compression and full droop engagement. So we have to fit in a different parameter basically. So with that, the new 18200 puck system will work for your B6.1, of course within the parameters given. Thank you again for all the support over the years. This is our 40th year in business, and of course always made 100% in the USA. Have a good day. Bye-bye.